Okay, so we're doing Develop Your Skills 3-3, Create Invoices. So the first thing we're going to do is, actually what this exercise is about is Joni Short has just emailed us to ask us to do a job for her company. So she is our customer, and we are providing a service for our customer. So her company is Dance a Little. So we have agreed to a rate of $38 an hour and to grant her terms of net 30, which means that her bill will be due in 30 days. So in this exercise, we will create invoices for customers. So first we're going to click Create Invoices from the Customers area. So let's look at Customers area, and we're going to go to Create Invoices right there. Okay, the second thing we're going to do is we're going to click the Customer Job Field drop-down arrow at the top of the window and then choose Dance a Little Project 19. So we're here at the drop-down arrow, and we're going to get Dance a Little is the company, and the name of the job we're doing is Project 19. Okay, the next thing is notice that the customer's address and terms fill in for us from the underlying list. So we had put net 15 here, but we might want to change it to net 30. So tap the tab key twice, 1, 2, it goes to the date, and we're going to make the date December 16, 2014. So click here, go to December 16, 2014 is the date. Okay, and then we're going to type in the number of the invoice. So invoice number is, we're going to make it be 14-0018. Okay, 14-0018. Then the following steps. Click the drop-down arrow and then choose net 30. So we're going to give her 30 days, not 15, 30 days to pay the bill. And then the next thing we're going to do is tap tab. So hit tab and then G. When we hit G, automatically graphic design comes up. So we'll keep that. Tap the tab key again, and we're going to put 7. And then the next thing, tab again, and we're going to call it branding and logo design. So delete everything it says here. We're going to write branding and logo design, and for the new new dance studio. And then we're going to put $38 as the rate. So actually let's type in 38.00. $38 is the rate, and the amount, when we tab over, it says $266. You're changing the standard price, that's fine, hit OK. So basically we had a quantity of 7 at a rate of 38, and that's $266. Okay, so we just did that for her, so we're going to click Save and New down below over here. And then we're going to click, okay, you have changed this. Would you like this new information to appear next time? Yes. And we did it. So now we just created an invoice. We're going to create an invoice now for a new customer. Okay, so Dance a Little was not a new customer. That's the one we just did. Now we're going to create an invoice for a new customer. So here's a little bit of information about the new customer. The new customer, her name is Mary Jones. She stopped by Average Guy Design's new office to pick up a project we just completed for her. We're going to add her as a new customer on the fly while creating the invoice for her. So we're going to do that right now. So type Mary Jones and then tap tab. So Mary Jones. We're going to type in her whole name. Oops. The customer job not found window will be displayed. Okay. So it says customer job not found. That's correct because she is not in the system yet. We are doing it right now to add her to the system. So we're going to hit Quick Add. Okay, and then we're going to hit the Tab key, and we're going to change the date to December 18. And then follow these steps to complete the invoice. We're going to click the drop down arrow and choose net 15. So we want Mary Jones to pay us in 15 days or less. And then we're going to click in the item column right here and then type art, A-R-T, and when we type art, artwork comes up. So that's correct. So then we're going to hit tab. We're going to put 6 for the quantity. We're going to hit tab, and it says production of original artwork. That's correct. We're going to hit tab again. We're going to put $45 for the rate, and we're going to hit tab, and it automatically makes it $270 because 6 times 45 is 270. Okay, so we have that, and then we're going to go down here to the customer message. We're going to hit Alt key with M to get there, and then we're going to type I, just the letter I, and when we hit the letter I, this whole sentence comes up. It's been a pleasure working with you, and that's fine. That's what we want. So we're good. And then we are done with this one. So basically, what we just did is Mary Jones was not in the system. We added her in the system. We created an invoice for her, and we're going to send her this bill, and she needs to pay us in 15 days. Okay, so we are done with that. We're going to hit save and close. And then you have changed Mary Jones' terms. Would you like to have this new information appear next time? Hit yes. And we are done.